$75,000 in cash or this 2021 Mustang Mach 1.
Amazing, awesome.
Now I'm stoked. Look out, here I come.
That's right guys, $75,000 in cash. Look at this V8 engine. Oh my God, it's a Ford 5-litre fuel injected, limited slip diff, 10-speed automatic. Imagine yourself cruising down the highway in this. Imagine it, it is sick. See what you have in this car, I'm telling you. It's got black Recaro seats in the thing, all leather. It's got a GT dash, all the extras with it. When you see this coming, you know it's a Mustang Mach 1. Have a go at it. It's painted in Oxford white. It's got all the black and red decals originally for it. It's got the original badges, Brembo bakes all round. Get your packages, gain exclusive discounts through our platform, score 3x entries.